Hi guys, today we're going to clean out our database in the AMI broker. Uh, what we'll do first is to get all the stocks that are inactive and those data that are have fewer than 3 months of data. So first load up the database. I have the database here, so one we can open a database. Then normally I put it in my desktop. Then this one is the database in focus. So here we open this one. Then I'll put the script of these two in the comment section. You can just copy and paste it and then run it in your Explorer. So first right click and analyze. Here you have to apply to all symbols. And then the range should be one recent bar. That's very important. And then press explore. When you explore, it will the date here is the last date of that stock. So normally I sort it. So here's the recent one, and then for the ones that let's say in 2020 you want to delete all of 2023, just select that one. Wait a second. But here you have to make a watch list for deletion. So let's say you want to make a watch list, new watch list for deletion 1. Make that one first for this one. And then for our exploration, we need to delete all the 2023 and older files. So here select shift down arrow, and then press control shift down arrow, and then end to select up to the end. Then right click on this one, add selected results to watch list, and then put it for deletion 1. Okay, so now all of it is in the for deletion stocks. So what you have to do is just select that one, control shift, then end to select everything, right click, then delete, then just select the multiple symbols deleted, then delete permanently. Now it's deleted. So for the next one, we have to clean up the files that have less than 3 months of data. So you run this one, analysis, then all symbols, and then recent bar is one recent bar, and press explore. Here they have this bar index. The bar index gives you the number of data in one of the ticker symbol. So just choose the one that have less than 100 data points. So here you can select here, control shift, then press end to select to the end. Right click, add selected results to watch list, put it in for deletion 1 watch list, press OK, and then go here to symbol, Then this one is for deletion one. They have the stocks again. So select that one, Control Shift and press N to select everything. Then right click on it and then delete. Then select multiple. Yes, delete permanently. Now it's deleted. Now just check, just explore it again, and then there should be no, the the lowest should be the 100. Okay, so hope this helps. Bye.